How to earn up to 10 times cashback with Shopify. Hey, what's going on everyone? Sri Kanase here, bringing to you guys another Shopify video. This Shopify video is going to be a little bit different from the rest of the videos I have previously made. And the main reason is, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to earn cashback by just placing orders through Aliexpress for your Shopify store. This is an amazing way to just earn basically free money, and you're not doing anything extra. You're just basically going to be placing orders like you normally do with your Shopify store on Aliexpress, but you're just going to be getting cash back in return. But before continuing on with this video, like always, make sure to hit that little subscribe button down below to join the growing family. We're growing extremely fast and you want to stay up to date with this content that I provide, because it has a lot of secret tips and tricks. And let's just jump right into it. So I have been using this website for a while now. It's called admitad.com. The link for this website will be down in the description below. But what you basically have to do with this website is basically place a specific link this website gives you, which I will be showing in this video, onto your main theme code, and all of your earnings will start getting reported on this website. Basically, you just have to place orders like you normally do on AliExpress, and after you pay, you'll start to see a lot of the activity going on over here. So the purple bar over here is the earnings. The green one is impressions, the blue one is the clicks, and the orange one is actions. Basically, this is just recording your own actions on AliExpress. So whatever you're clicking and how many actions you're taking on AliExpress. The commission for this website is 8%, but it varies depending on the product that you purchase from AliExpress. So if we go ahead and click on programs over here, by the way, after signing up, this is the main page that you'll land on. What you want to do then is go ahead and hover over programs and click on all programs. And it'll take you to the link where all of the programs for affiliate marketing are listed. The main program we're interested in is the AliExpress WW program. When you come to this program, you'll see a lot of data over here, such as the launch date, product feed, retargeting, etc. The main thing we're interested in is this area over here and this one, which I'll show you guys later. But this is the amount of commission that you're going to be getting per category that you order in. So if we just click on show all, we can see all of the category AliExpress WW supports. So if your product that you're purchasing from AliExpress is one of the hot products, you're going to get up to 4% to 90% commission from that order. For hair and accessories, it's 6% to 10%, other categories 6% to 10%, etc. For my own Shopify store, I get 8% commission for each order I place on AliExpress. So let's say I have to pay my supplier $100 for all of the products that I purchased from him. That means I'll get $8 cash back from those $100. So it's basically adding to your profit, and it's an amazing way to earn extra income if you're possibly breaking even or even in a slightly loss with your Shopify store. The more orders you place on AliExpress, the more cash back you get basically. But when you're on this program, you want to go ahead and click on banners and links. This is where we're going to be installing this program onto our store. It's really easy to install the program. All you have to do is copy and paste this link for traffic into your code for your theme. I'll have a link in the description below once again for a tutorial on how to install this. I've opened it up right here, but it's really simple. You just have to basically follow this tutorial and have it added to your store. One thing I would like to mention in this tutorial is when you're filling out the details, as you can see over here, you want to make sure that your ad space type is dropshipping. You have the option of choosing dropshipping over here. And once you click on dropshipping, it's going to show you an option of choosing the dropshipping app that you use. It's either Oberlo or Dropify. For me, I use Dropify, so that's what I would choose. And then it'll ask you the link to your website, where you sell your items. It could be United States or worldwide, and the category that your store is in. And for how you will promote the affiliate program, all you have to do is state that you're going to be promoting it through your e-commerce website and just click on add. And once you do that, it's going to make you validate that the website is your own website. So just get that done. When you scroll down all the way to the bottom on this page, it tells you exactly how to validate an ad space. So click on that and get that done. If you guys are using Oberlo to fulfill your orders, all you have to do is contact Oberlo support and let them know that you want to start using cashback services, specifically admitad.com, and they'll help you set it up. But if you're using an app like I do, Dropify, it's really easy to install this app on Dropify. All you have to do is sign into your Dropify account and click on stores on the left menu. And then once you come onto this page, just scroll down all the way until you see admitad affiliate program. This is where you want to go ahead and copy and paste that link we found on the admitad programs dashboard. And once you do that, just go ahead and scroll all the way down and click on save, and you should be good to go. But this is absolutely an amazing way to get cash back and earn a lot of money just by placing orders on AliExpress. If you guys are finding some kind of success with your Shopify stores, I highly recommend that you guys sign up for admitad.com. Again, the link will be in the description below, and just start earning money back. I'm going to be showing you guys how much I have earned through admitad by just getting cash back. So to basically find out how much you have earned, just click on reports and it should come up with this page. You want to click on programs because we're going to be installing the AliExpress program, and the date range, let's just do this year. So for this year to date, and click on show. And once it all loads up, it'll tell you exactly how much you have earned. So for me personally, I have earned $1,814 just this year via admitad. I don't know about you guys, but that's an insane amount of money that I'm getting basically just for placing orders on AliExpress. So in a sense, I had an additional $1,800 of profit for literally no extra work. All I was doing is placing orders for my own website. And this is why it's such an amazing program to join if you're not already in this program. But if you guys have any types of questions regarding this program or are unsure of how to really install it, let me know down in the comment section below and I'll assist you guys further. But if you guys did like this video, make sure to hit that little like button down below just to show some support and so that I know to make even more videos just like these ones. And I'll see you guys next time.